Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Twitter verify your phone number on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Twitter app. We will just go down here and this is window to find Twitter and we click here on Twitter, then we come here to this is window and we will click here on for stop, then we click here on OK and we click here on storage, then we come here to storage window and we will click here on clear cache, then we will click here on clear data and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.